In this question, we are supposed to find out a concluding statement for this particular paragraph. The paragraph suggests that Stanley Kubrick was one such rare artist whose work was ambiguous and at the same time intriguing. In other words, it was ambiguous in the sense that it freed itself up to interpretation of the audiences, and at the same time it was intriguing because people were intrigued to know what the work really meant. However, one thing the paragraph concludes on the note that one thing about watching a Kubrick movie is that its authorship at least is clear. One gets to know very clearly that it is a Kubrick movie. And option B carries forward the idea on this concludes the idea on the same paragraph on the same note by stating that in that means in the fact that the movie belongs to Kubrick, there was never any ambiguity, and option B therefore clearly follows from the last line of the paragraph and should therefore be the correct answer. Option A says our speculation is further encouraged by Kubrick's secrecy. It is slightly abruptly dissociated from the last line of the paragraph, as the last line talks about the audience's clarity in knowing that he or she is watching a Kubrick movie, while suddenly option A talks about the speculation of audiences encouraged by Kubrick's secrecy, talks about secrecy now. So this shift is very abrupt from clarity to secrecy. Option C says his is a career shrouded in myth and frustrating mystery, again not related, not connected to the last line, again starts talking about Kubrick's career all of a sudden, whereas the last line suggests that when one is watching a Kubrick movie, the authorship of that movie is very clear. Therefore, option C can also be eliminated. Option D says it may not be entirely correct to call Kubrick a child prodigy. Now, what Kubrick is, suddenly this is also a very abrupt idea and does not connect with the last line, and therefore option D can be eliminated as well. So the correct answer is option B.